Hi, I'm Steve Vukovich, managing partner of Apple Athletic Club. We are going out of our way to protect our members and our staff. As you can see, when the members check in at the front desk, the first thing to do is have their temperature scanned, and then they scan their card themselves, so we do not have to take their card personally. And they are then handed a sanitizing towel. And we have various sanitizing stations around the facility, which allows them to pre-sanitize any touch point prior to them touching it. And I think that's one of the things that we have to offer that no other place in town, including a hospital, allows you to do that. We're up on the roof of Apple Athletic Club. We have 23 different heating and air conditioning units here, drawing fresh air continually into the building. When you put fresh air in, you have to exhaust it out. And they are running 24/7, just bringing in fresh air. That makes us very, very unique. You won't find this on any other health club in town. And of course, the advantage of all this airflow is the dilution of the stale air within our building. And that air obviously can carry viruses and cold germs and this kind of thing. So we are constantly ejecting and turning our air over at very, very high rates. And probably the last thing that we do to minimize close contact between people is that we have taken out every other piece of cardio equipment. So there is a space of 6 to 8 feet between a person working out on one machine versus another machine.